Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event. What are you talking about?
A sphincter says what?
What? Scott Jensen.
It's an explosion of sound and lights. It's about energy, excitement, attitude. It's about your independence. The Lucky Star 95.7 KISS FM, Pete Nissan, and Spirit Airlines. Gonna make sure you having a blast this summer. Now you got your Independence Day weekend covered. It's a red, white, and blue explosion at the hottest party bar in Denver, the Lucky Star.
It's game time.
Wilson behind the net, and then a big hit.
Our city is ready.
And great save.
Our fans are ready. And together we wear it with pride.
Here's a chance. Let's go!
The next Avalanche Family Night is coming soon. Get your tickets now at ColoradoAvalanche.com or by calling 303-53-HORSE. Go, Avs, go.
And you can dance
All night long at the Lucky Star for 80s and beyond every Saturday night. Getaways, giveaways, and one heck of a lot of fun. And here's a peek at your 80s and beyond live broadcast from the Lucky Star. And by the way, if you can name every song in this spot, we'll pay your cover at the Lucky Star for life. The second song used in your second clue, Human League, Don't You Want Me? And listen each week for a new clue. We are Lucky Star in Larimer Square.
Scott Jensen. 99 to 2005, Air Talent Mix 100, Jammin' 92.5, Alice 106. 99 to 2005, Assistant Production Director, CBS Radio, Denver Nightclub DJ, 20 plus years. Video production for all Pepsi Center sports teams, 2002-2014. Creative, innovative. Today's sound effects and imaging. Maybe some retro as well.
You've got mail.
Balanced, composed, Scott Jensen. I don't get it, but the chicks seem to dig him. Yes, they do.